Hello everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a layout continuing my cruise album. So the photos I'm going to document are from formal night and then also of the towel animals that are left in our staterooms. And then I just snapped a picture of this preserver that had the ship's name on it. Just snapping pictures around the ship. So I love how they make little animals out of your towels. So this night they left us a kitty cat. So I'm going to use those pictures, and this is going to be a super simple layout. So because my album used collections, papers and embellishments from the collections from Close to My Heart called Regatta, No Worries, and Cape Cod, I'm going to continue that theme. So most of the papers in this layout are from Regatta. So I'm going to use this ombre page, and I'm going to cut it at a diagonal. So because it won't fit in your trimmer, this is how I do it. I'm going to bring in a second straight edge. You'll need a self-healing mat to do this. And I'm just going to line up my straight edges from corner to corner, just so that I get the angle right. And always be sure before you start with that blade that you've got it at the right angle. So I'm going to slide the second straight edge up against the first to be sure that I've got a continuous line from corner to corner. And then I'm just going to go for it. So just a note about the filming surface here. I was at a retreat and I'm still experimenting with my camera setup for retreats, and the tripod that I had, it sets my camera a little bit lower, and so it's a tinier, smaller filming space. So I apologize for that, but I wanted to get some filming done while I did layouts over that weekend. So then you just continue with your blade all the way across, and sometimes you'll need a little bit of help, but you'll have that line already started from your cut, so you can clean it up with a pair of scissors. And then you've got your two triangle pieces. So I'm going to bring in some white cardstock, and I've used white as a base for most of the pages throughout this book. And just a note, if you haven't seen any of the previous videos for this cruise collection, I will do a final video showing all of the layouts because I completed some layouts some time ago. So I'll start from the beginning and show you all the layouts for this whole trip. So stay tuned for that. I still have 3 more layouts to show process videos, and then I'll do that complete video. So I'm setting up my triangles on my layout so that the pattern continues from the left page to the right page with that ombre, and then we have that diagonal line across the page from the left page to the right page. So I'm deciding which zip strip I want to use. I'm going to put a line at the bottom. So I'm going through various zip strips that I had cut over on the right of my work surface here. If you don't know what a zip strip is, it's the branding strip that's at the top of a 12 by 12. Stampin' Up doesn't use them, but Close My Heart did. So I decided on this one with the anchors, and then I'm going to use this base of red with diagonal stripes underneath it. So I cut it at 3/4 of an inch, And I also matted that square picture with white, and then I used additional mats for my cluster of photos that are over on the right page. And the papers that I used, I believe they were from a really old collection called Fundamentals. It's sapphire with diagonal stripes. And this product, it is foil. It's kind of like washi tape. It's a 1/4 inch, and it comes in gold and silver. And I'm going to use some of this across the top of that zip strip just to give a little pop of shine. So that I'll put down after I adhere that zip strip. So continuing on, I'm going to fussy cut this banner from this pocket card. And then I had a second pocket card, and that one went over on the right page. And I did some journaling off camera using some of the Everyday Happiness DSP, which is still available from Stampin' Up. Kind of looks like sand. So I just did some quick journaling. This is going to be clean and simple layout. Just keeping it nice and clean. So these are puffy stickers, and they are from the Regatta collection. And I want to add one to that banner because there's a little dead space over on the left side of it. So I'm going to add a little anchor sticker there. And I'll use some more of those. But first I'm going to bring in some other embellishments. These are from the In Color collection from Stampin' Up, the new In Colors, and these are Secret Sea, and they're really cool because they're kind of iridescent. So I'm going to place several of them in between the little banner flags, and I'll be bringing those in again in a little bit to use to scatter around the page. We didn't take a lot of photos that night. Sometimes you just want to take mental photos, right? So just snapped a few, and I do want to remember the night, so yeah. So these are some more embellishments. Sorry about my dog in the background. I don't know what she's barking at. I might have to go investigate. These embellishments are also from Regatta. They had craft embellishments die cut in the collection. All right, I have to go see what my dogs are up to. I will be back. Neighbor's dog is barking, so they have to bark too. Sorry about that. So I'm going to do a small cluster down in the lower left corner. Bring some more of those puffy stickers in. And these are cardstock stickers. And I'm just looking at them, trying to decide. And ultimately, I don't think I'm going to add any of those. I want to keep, because I used the craft paper for that cluster, I want to keep them all the same. So I'm going to add a couple more puffy a puffy sticker over on the right page. And then I'll scatter some more of those In Color dots around. So I will have close-up pictures, as usual, over on my Facebook page and my Instagram of this layout. So hop on over there, give a follow, and you'll be able to find those. Still thinking about, do I want to add more? Yes. We'll scatter a few more. I'll make a list of all the supplies that I used. And hopefully you have some cruise themed or water themed, ocean themed papers in your stash. You might have these collections from Close to My Heart. Okay, I'll bring it closer to the camera here. Like I said, clean and simple, but I love that diagonal design with the ombre. So I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.